Yeah, this is a 2017 GLC43. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because they are going around busting these, letting out locks and stealing these rims and leaving these cars in full brakes. Plus, it'll break your window for anything. So we added the shock sensor to it. Because in these cars, of course, you can't add an alarm system to it. The only thing you can do is add a shock sensor and maybe a cellular module, so when it fires off you'll get a text alert with GPS. But other than that, Mercedes is pretty tight on their firmwares and things like that for you to not be able to do anything. So yeah, I mean, you'll probably wonder, well, I have a factory alarm system, how come it doesn't have any type of impact sensor? Because the factory do not want to deal with false triggers once in a blue moon, and they do not supply any type of sensors. The only way it works is if you open a door, and then that's the only reason why the alarm will fire off. So we already on the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tire. Turn it off. And we're going to test out the windows. I'm going to also do a little rain test to make sure that a little heavy rain will not set off the alarm. Let's face it, if it's 4th of July and you got some firecrackers in the neighborhood, yeah, that could fire it off. But other than that, it should not be giving you any false triggers. But in the event that it does, we always like to let our customers know where we mount the sensor, and it's just a matter of taking a little flathead screwdriver and turning down the sensitivity, and they can do that on their own. They don't need to rely on calling us back. I'm going to go ahead and do the rain test. It's pretty much a little vibration on the window, but if you bang on a little harder, it'll fire. This alarm shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by our alarm specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we appreciate you watching this video.